What's up, this is your boy Reggie Beatz. Welcome back to my channel. And right in front of me today I have the Sonaar Audience Elementor template kit for music producers. On this video I'm gonna be going through it so I can show you what this template has to offer. I've already made videos on how to set this up and how to get it up and running. I already set up mine, but on this video I'm just gonna show you what this has to offer. Alright, let's get it. The link for this product will be in the description below, and yeah, hit the sub button because I have all the sauce when it comes to selling beats online. If you don't know how to set this template up, just wait until the end. I'm gonna show you how to do it there. Alright, cool. Now we are on the home page and we're gonna go through it from top to bottom. First, you see the home page looks nice and clean. I like this header, just nice black and white. Text is readable. You can see as I hover over these menus, even the sub menus, you can read them very nice. This header now just consists of a logo, and the menu, and also the widgets for WooCommerce when you add your products so they can accumulate. And the header, we can see we have a video in the background. It makes it live. The text stands out properly. The white color really does stand out on this video. And now we got these two buttons. One says discover tracks, one says a little tailor made. Let's see where these buttons go to. Okay, so this button goes to a different page. I'm just gonna go back first so we can finish the first page. And then here we got our beat store or our beat player or audio player. This was made using Sonaar MP3 Player Pro. Everything is nice and readable. I like the white background. You can click play, and then the sticky player just pops up just like that. And this player is sticky, so it's gonna stay here throughout every page you go to. And you can see we have more information about the beat, and you can actually customize this. I made a video on how to customize this template, and the link is up there in the pop-up. And then let's click on this button and see. We should get a pop-up. Nice. This is a pop-up where you select your license and you can select whatever you want. Click on add to cart. There we go. Now it updated there. That's nice. This is just one style that we can have with the Sonaar MP3 Player Pro, which is used within this audience theme. So we're gonna scroll down, and then here is just a section where if you've worked with other companies you can put it generally. Gonna scroll down. Then here we got the trending tracks section, and wow, I like this feature. It just makes this beat stand out because here it's a list, and then now we got a grid. You can really see the thumbnails even more. It still works the same way as the beat player list. Then you can add to cart. This is very nice. This is dope. As you scroll down, you got even playlists. Wow, this is more than you can ever wish for in a WordPress template for selling beats. So let's browse through our playlist. Let's see what we have in lo-fi hip-hop. It'll probably go to a different page. Oh, nice. There's a whole different page for a playlist. This looks nice. Here we got the playlist information, and this is the playlist that we have created. Wow, this is great. Let's go back to the home page and scroll down. This is just other features like free beats, curated beats. It's just a way in which you can display your beats, and I've made a video on how you can edit all of this. And here we got the sound kits. Very nice. They stand out. You can click add to cart, or you can really listen to what the sound kit has to offer. Wow, and you have this nice product page, nice landing page, and simple. You can play all the drum kits or the sample tracks that the drum kit has to offer. So far it's been so great, so much value. So as you're scrolling down now, we see the pricing and licensing, and wow, man, does it get better? And you have your licensing, your pricing. These are your terms for your licenses, and you can really preview the license. Wow, you got this nice pop-up. This looks super dope, man. That's dope. As you scroll down, you got just another section like the trending section. This is just the new added beats, and this is your footer. Alright, nah, this is dope, man. The first page was more than everything. Now let's go to the other page, which is browse. As you scroll down, now you got a list of beats, but now we have this filter on the side. This is the new feature, and this feature is great because you can really just filter the player there with any custom fields you want to add. You can really even filter this with BPM or key. You can really add that. So this is great, and it's a full beat store. This is great, and it's a full Beatz store. You know, all the other Beatz stores out there are gonna have a problem because this is so much value right here. So this is a page with the sidebar filters. Now let's go browse a page. Okay, now let's go browse a page with a grid, you know, because you can have the playlist as a list and as a grid. Let's scroll down and see. Oh, even better, look at that. The grid page looks nice, perfect and graphic. You know, it highlights the thumbnail more, and it works exactly as the list works, and it's real time. This is great. You can even type and search in there. This is wow, this is amazing. Now let's go see other pages. Let's go to services, so you can see all the other extra services you can offer. Okay, we got this page with a banner. Maybe it could be a different background picture here, and here's your custom services. It's so easy to read. So if you're offering custom beats, audio mixing, consulting, and you can change this into whatever service you offer. So let's click on order now and see. So you click order now, it brings you to this contact page. Then you can really send about whatever you're ordering. This is perfect. I feel like it's better like this, so that you can communicate with the client before they get to pay, so they can know what they're really paying for. So yeah, this is what the Sonaar audience template has to offer, but there's probably more that I've missed. So just make sure you check it out. The link for this is in the description below. Thank you for watching the video. You can put any question in the comment section below, and if you have any requests for me to review any other Beatz selling template, let me know and I got you. I'm out.